Hi, my name is Christine Palmerton. In 2008, I created and launched NautiGirl brands, um, a lifestyle company for boaters. We launched at the January Seattle Boat Show in 2008. Um, People responded very well to it. It's been a very popular brand. In 2013, however, I received a letter from Nautica telling me to cease and desist. How dare I copy their logo? This is mine, this is theirs. And that I should turn over all inventory, domain names, etc., etc. And they had, even though we were awarded our trademark in 2009, you have apparently 5 years to petition and cancel a trademark that you feel is infringing on your logo. So that is what Nautica did. They filed a petition to cancel my trademark. My local trademark attorney here in Bellingham, Washington, was disappointing, but he told me that it didn't matter if I was legally right. I did not have enough money to fight Nautica. What is my budget? $5,000, $10,000, $100,000, because couldn't go up against Nautica. And they had a reputation for doing the same kind of things to other people, and other companies just giving up, throwing their hands up in the air and walking away from the situation. He also had told me about other large corporations where going up against smaller companies, and even though the names, nothing was the same, the smaller companies just couldn't even defend themselves. And I didn't understand why, but he said it's a multi-year back and forth discovery, depositions, etc. It would probably cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I thanked him and left and got creative, got on the internet searching for some pro bono help, realizing and understanding that this is a bigger problem in our country than just me and Nautica, that there were several other large corporations that were successfully getting other businesses to just go out of business by the sheer threat of litigation. And, it made me wonder if maybe there's some help out there, because this is huge. This is not good for our economy and the creativity, and that we want individuals to be able to get creative and build companies to take care of themselves. I did find through some internet and another attorney online. She helped me find Eve Brown at Suffolk Law University, Boston, Massachusetts, and Eve had just started a law clinic to help small businesses like mine, and we're very much aware of the what people out there are calling trademark bullying, and did not feel that was right. And they took on my case. It did take 3.5 years, and we finally won the right to keep our trademark in 2015. October of 2015, we finally won the right to keep our trademark. At the time I filed for my trademark, however, you file in different classifications. I had beverageware, boating tote bags, and playing cards. I could not do clothing at the time because there was another NautiGirl out there, but spelled Neughty, and she did lingerie and whatnot. So we agreed to drop the clothing classification at the time. Since then, they have abandoned that trademark. And so when we won, and the trademark board said, Nautica, you look nothing like Naughty Girl, Dare to Be Naughty, you don't even sound the same, we applied for our clothing classification. Nautica has now decided to oppose my clothing classification, and we're looking at another multi-year litigation. I no longer have pro bono help. Eve Brown is a very passionate law professor and attorney. The law schools, a lot of the law clinics are not taking on multi-year litigations, and she has now left the university to start bricolagelelaw.com, and it's It's a law firm designed to help small businesses for what they can afford. Unfortunately, even though my husband and I make a pretty good living, we believe that you get up every day and you fight for your job and you fight for your work and you fight for your place. You don't ask for handouts. However, I need the community's help in going up against Nautica again. We simply don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars. We have taken in over 30 people into our home over the last 35 years of our marriage. Currently, we have a daughter and 2 grandsons, and my mother has just recently moved in with us, and we can pay our health insurance bills at the time. We can feed ourselves and pay our mortgage. But this is just greater than anything we can take on. And to just be shut down and be told to stop, really for no reason, is a travesty, and it's bad for our economy. I want to build my brand. I want to build an international brand that is unique in the marketplace. We have never been told we look anything like Nautica. Nobody's ever confused us with Nautica, and we have a lot of loyal customers. We go to boating trade shows, and we're online, and we've been out there in the community, and people do think this is outrageous. I am asking for whatever help I can get. Eve Brown is willing to work for a much reduced rate, but she's got to pay her bills too. And again, thank you for whatever you can donate to this cause. The trademark, the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, we did file a motion to dismiss the whole thing. We were denied that motion because they said the facts had changed. I don't understand, because this is our trademark on a cup. This would be the trademark on a shirt that's currently on an apron right now. Really, the only facts that change are it's instead of on a mug, we would have the classification for clothing and aprons and that sort of thing. Again, this is the Nautica brand, and I appreciate, again, any help you can give in helping me fight them. Thank you.